It's just chillin' on mine. I'm just trying to live this life. Can you hear the rain pour? 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 Rain, go. Come back in another day. I need a place to lay my head, so she can give me that, yeah. Hey man, this is just freestyles live. You know what I'm saying? Kind of get used to this live shit, but it's just chilling on the minds, you know what I'm saying? Shit just straight up the dome, you know? This is real life shit. I'm live up in the neck of the woods, up in my studio, you know what I'm saying? 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 It's just chilling on minds, bro. It's just a struggle, you know, life's hard. Life's real hard. I'm live right now. I don't really go live. Hold on, I'm just trying to live one hell of a life. Hold on, tell me please don't lie. As the thunder strikes, woman like catch the Allah. Catch the woman like me like, catch the woman like me like. Freestyling on my butt live up in the nigga that was in my hood. Hey, hey, life is so beautiful. Oh. Life is so beautiful, sit in the back and I pop in the bottle. What's up? What? Bottle of bad activist, you know you practice it. Hey, you don't pop it, you crack that shit. And you pour up a little. Hold on, pour the whole pint of it in the fucking damn 2 liters. Pouring up the money now. Activist, I'm lean, yeah. Promethazine, yeah. Her little bitch, she see me on the TV. She don't know my stand and get excited. Man, thanks for you, and I pray for you and your wishes. Hey, that's gonna be the next mixtape release. Thanks for you, and I pray for you and your wishes. I'm live up in the neck of the woods of my hood. Know what I'm saying? It's real. It's chillin' on my, chillin' on my, sin, it's chillin' on my house, chillin' on my sin, shit that I'm involved. I ain't got time for your problem, leave me alone, please. You know, it's just chillin' on mine, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like doing that shit live. I don't give a fuck, nigga, thug life, nigga. We living life, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Getting high. Shout out to the boss niggas out there, you know what I'm saying, making money, you know what I'm saying, fucking bitches out there, you know what I'm saying, doing boss moves, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, stay faded, nigga, don't worry about what nigga think about you, nigga, you know what I'm saying, worry about you, nigga, cause you fly, if you think you will fly, you fly, nigga, you know what I'm saying, you worried about nigga, then you probably ain't fly, nigga, shit, you know what I'm saying, just shit on my nigga, I'm up in this shit, nigga. Y'all hear that raid? Y'all hear that raid? Yeah, I think I hear the raid. think I hear that right, you know what I'm saying? I think I hear that right. I think I hear that right. I think I hear that right. Fuck, bro, this shit's bad. This shit's bad. I'm looking at you through the glass. Don't know how much time has passed. Oh God, it feels like forever. But nobody ever tells you that forever feels like home. Sitting all alone inside your head. 'Cause I'm looking at you through the glass. Don't know how much time has passed. All I know is that it feels like forever. When no one ever tells you that forever feels like home. Sitting all alone inside your head. How do you feel? That is the question. But I forgot you don't expect an easy answer. When something like soul becomes internalized and folded up like paper dolls, and ain't little dolls and little notes, you can't expect a bit of hope. And while you're outside looking in and describing it, and what do you see? Remember what you're staring at is me. 'Cause I'm looking at you through the glass. Don't know how much time has passed. All I know is that it feels like forever. When no one ever tells you that forever feels like home. Sitting all alone inside your head. How much is real? So much to question. An epidemic of the mannequins coming dated to everything. When thought came from the heart, it never did right from the start. Just listen to these voices. Get out of my head. Get the fuck out of my head. Get out of my head. Before you tell yourself it's just a different scene. It's just Playboy status. It's just Playboy status. It's just Playboy status. I'm looking at you through the glass. Don't know how much time has passed. All I know is that it feels like forever. When no one ever tells you that forever feels like home. Platoon for city lights. Platoon for city lights. Don't know how much time has passed. You got it, feels like forever. But you don't know mine. This rain won't seem to go away. It won't seem to go away. This pain seems to want to go away. I opening and I'm faded. Trying to make it. Everybody look at me like they fucking down. Who the fuck is that nigga? Coming up about the woods, is he a winner? Coming out this year, no, I'm not a sinner. I'm just trying to get up about my damn riches. I'm just trying to get up in the fucking damn trenches. Niggas fuck you and your own fucking discrimination. I be up in this shit and I'm motivated. Just keep up in my mind, I'm live up in the studio. Can't fuck with me, I'm just up in my microphone. Don't fuck with me, don't fucking call my phone, 'cause I just hit the grind. And niggas know that this is my time. It's just my time. It's just my time. It's just my time. I don't have no home. 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 God, I don't have no home. I don't have no home. Looking at you through the glass, don't know how much time has passed. All I know is that it feels like forever. When no one ever tells you. Yeah, I'm live up in the woods, man. Freestyling. You know what I'm saying? Thunder striking. It's already been 11 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm on the air right now. That it's been 11 minutes. You know? Alright, this is actually a real song right here, though. You know? I don't mean being my feelings, but anybody could be listening, you know what I'm saying? You know, all I just know is that you gotta be yourself, you know? But, you know, I'm live in the woods. There goes, cries, you can't let them go. Lies in front of your door, leave through your back door. Control your mind, sounds great, but when the moment comes when you're getting faded and no one's around to join in on the times like some sweet summer times. I'm looking at you right in the eyes. I see the beautiful feeling inside of you. Oh, just you and I. Can I call you mine? Can I call you mine? Lost in this world, oh, feels so good. There goes. There goes. There goes. Cries, you can't let them go. Lies in front of your door, leave through your back door. Control your mind. Lost mine, I think I lost my mind. These things in life, where are you now? And these days I sit back and cheat this pain away. You see so many faces in the rain. I try not to bother and say anything. There goes, there goes. There goes, there goes. Alright, we finna end up. We just finna end this freestyle session with the real song. You know what I'm saying? It's one of my favorite songs. You know, I'm live. You know, shout out to everybody who's listening. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. But I want y'all to have a good night. Even though it's morning, but it's still night. You know what I'm saying? You know? Have a good night, kiss you goodbye. Have a good life. As these voices round me make me break. As these voices round me make me break. As they scream in the middle of the fucking night. Go home, just go home, just go home. Now can I please get you the fuck out my head? The fuck out my head, yeah, yeah. I'm up in the neck of the woods in my room. I'm up in the neck of the woods in my room. Trying to get faded when I'm out in the damn world. I frown in my face. Nobody asks, but don't bother asking, cause I gotta take care of this life. Out my head, get up out my head though. So many people talking steadily in my ear though. Hey, this is just my life. This is just my life. In the middle of the night, I'm just trying to get my life situated right while I'm writing lyrics in the neck of the woods of my hood, neck of the woods of my hood, neck of the woods of my hood. Y'all have a good night. Have a good night, kiss you goodbye. As these voices around me make me break. As they scream in the middle of the night. Just go home, just go home, just go home.